Managing your fleet fuel and expense cards can get messy, but Wex Card Control promises real-time tracking, PIN control, and fuel finding. So is it actually any good or a frustrating waste of time? Let's find out. Wex Card Control is a mobile app for drivers using EFS or Fleet One fuel cards. It lets you check balances, view transaction history, generate ATM pins, register checks, and find nearby or route-based fuel stations and prices. Many drivers say the app helps them locate cheaper fuel, often saving 50 cents per gallon or more. But the app has clear drawbacks. Users report that routing only offers a single path with no way to choose a different route. Reports include inaccurate fuel prices, routing errors, feature crashes, and functionality that's worse than older versions. Some even mention the app crashing when trying to register a check or failing to show station results without manual zooming. Wex Card Control can help you save money and manage your fleet card securely if it works correctly. But unreliable maps, glitches, and missing features can turn it into a headache. Test it, but don't rely on it blindly until it's more stable. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.